kular hakani kesni. Mangantrai hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka NEET.
Menteri rang ba kajala u Conrad ke Sangma ha khandai tarik ujaliu a ja apun riau ula Pyllait Paidbah lai teli ki bus elektrik hapo ka PME bus sewa scheme ya ki bala ai kerteng ka bus Jongi. Haka jingelang ngablalong hatara gar state guest house Shillong. Haka ni jingelang lasak hilang ru da uchi sekretari kajala Dr. Shakri P. Ahmed u Commissioner and Sekretari Ketanat Penroiser u Dr. Vijay Kumar D ki he officer bat kiwe.
Okay. This one? Yeah. Milan. Nice, very nice.
So 10-15 days we'll do trial run. We'll actually start operating from 25th. So we have to do trial run, we have to train the drivers.
The old Jane and new RM these buses, the red buses have also been procured from the previous government of India scheme. So these Jane and new RM buses, the time has come to phase out these buses and to introduce a new fleet of buses. So we started this with...
We have launched 3 electric buses and we will be launching another 47 very soon. And this will be a very strong network of public transportation throughout the city and also to the peripheries. Number 2 is that the entire system of running public service and the public transportation has changed with this new buses being implemented, where it's not about the profit making by selling tickets for the buses or the operator, but the government is paying them and ensuring that the services are on a timely basis, regular and reliable service, so that every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whether there's a passenger or not, the bus will move and passengers will know exactly when the next bus will come. So that is the kind of model that we are implementing. Number 3, we are also encouraging our citizens to start transiting into e-vehicles, and that is something that we've been trying to push. As you're aware, that the registration and the taxes on vehicles which are electric is 0, and that there'll be no registration, nothing. There is of course one notification which was there for last 3 years, which automatically expired. We are renewing it next week in the cabinet. But the message is, larger message is that that registration is not required and registration fees is not there for electric vehicles. And what a lot of people don't understand is that electric vehicles are very much viable in hill stations also. They work very well because vehicles charge as you go downhill because of the resistance, and therefore it is a plus minus game, and the net effect is always on a positive. And more importantly, when it comes to actually charging the vehicles, you can charge the vehicles at home. So you don't have to go to a charging station to charge the vehicles. This is a very big misconception that people have. They think that they have to go to a charging station to charge. No, you can charge it at home. It's a very small unit that comes along with the vehicle, and every morning or every 2-3 days you can charge as per your requirements. So, but as I said, the profitability for the vendors will not come from the ticket selling, but there will be a guaranteed amount that the government will give, and to ensure, as I said, that it is not about waiting for customers and waiting for the bus to be full, but more importantly ensuring that the buses leave on time and that reliability is there for the customers and passengers, so that it can become a proper public service and transportation system.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.